Hello traders, welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today we're going to talk about multi-time frame analysis. Now the reason that we're going to be talking about multi-time frame analysis, it's because it's important for you to understand how it works, why it works, and how to utilize it, right? When I'm talking about multi-time frame analysis, I'm talking about analyzing levels on multiple time frames. Right now we're looking at the 50-minute chart in the pound versus the yen, so we're going to be analyzing some levels on the pound versus the yen, right? You can see that we have one level here. I'm going to be using blue, this bright blue for the 50-minute level. Then we're going to go to the 4-hour chart, and I'm going to be using green there, and then I'm going to be using red for the daily, right? So right now, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be looking at some levels that might be tradable on the pound versus the yen. Now, right now we have the pound versus the yen rising, right? We have a bullish move going on from these lows. So I'm going to be grabbing this level as a level of support. And the next level of resistance, of course, is going to be this one right here. Why? Well, I will show you why. Because it has been previous resistance right here and right here. So it's very plausible that we are going to be getting some kind of a resistance here at the 131.58. Now this is the 50-minute chart, right? And the reason that we need to be using multi-time frame analysis when looking for entries and exits is because the levels on the lower time frames tend to be the levels on the lower time frame just are less strong than on the higher time frames. Now you can see right here, I'm going to give you a couple of examples here on the pound versus the yen. As you can see right here, this level did not hold as strongly as the levels that we're going to be looking at the 4-hour chart. So if we go, this is the 50-minute chart, right? And let's imagine that we are in a position. Actually, we are in a position. I'm going to be showing you this just because I need you to understand that we do trade the levels or that we teach, or we do trade the levels or the strategies that we teach, right? We are in a long position here. And we are looking for those levels as for targets, right? So we're going to the 4-hour chart. And first of all, on the 4-hour chart, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to show you why I chose that as an entry on the with the multiple time frame analysis. Now I'm going to be using the green lines here on the 4-hour chart. And if we have similarity levels on the 4-hour chart and on the 50-minute chart, then we know that this level is going to be extremely strong. Now, the level that I chose here is the 130.63. Why? Because this is a level that was tested strongly on the 4-hour chart, and not only that, but it was tested here, and then again here. So this is a big level on the 4-hour chart, and it confluences perfectly with our level on the 50-minute chart, right? We have the 130.63 and the 130.73 levels that confluence. So this gives me the idea, or the not the idea, but this tells me that this is going to be a very strong level of support, and that we might have a runner to the upside, right? Now let's look at some levels on the upside, all right? And the first level that I'm looking at right here is the 131.88. The main reason is that we have these lows that were retested here, and then when we broke to the downside, we retested them as resistance, and again here. So this level by far is the strongest level that we are going to be encountering if we manage to break to the upside out of this pattern that we're trading in. So which level I'm going to be using for profit taking? based on the 4-hour chart? Well, that's simple. I'm going to be using the strongest level. Why? Because the probability of price bouncing off of the 131.88 is much higher than the probability of price bouncing off of the 131.58. And what I mean here is that the probability of price breaking with the blue line is much higher than the probability of price breaking with the green line. So when you are looking for entries and exits, always use the multi-time frame analysis, right? And if you find confluence in levels on your lower time frame levels with higher time frames, then you know you have struck gold because those levels are strong. So if you like what you just saw, please give us the thumbs up on this video. We would appreciate it a lot. And don't forget to subscribe because we upload this kind of videos every week.